Everyone, here we will introduce you the three states of matter and some interesting features of them. What are the three states of matter? They are solid, liquid, and gaseous state. The solid state like the iron, it has fixed volume and shape. The liquid state like this cup of water, it has fixed volume but the shape changes based on its container. The gaseous state, it like the air. It has neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. We cannot see it directly, but we can feel it if it flows, like the wind. By the way, if there is no air, there is no wind. In our kitchen experiments, we will explain you the three state changes using water. First, let's see the change between liquid water and solid ice. First, we put water into two cups with the same height. And now we put one of them into a freeze. We want to let the water lose energy so it can freeze to ice. 2 hours later, let's take it out and find if there is any difference between the two cups. Let's find the difference. Here we use two red lines to point the height of the ice and water in the two cups. As we can see here, the volume in the ice cup is larger than the water cup. Now let's do another small experiment. We put two small ice into water. We find it float on the surface. And now we put the iron into it. And like the ice, it falls down to the bottom. The thing behind this is that the mass of matter does not change when the state changes. If the volume increases, then the density decreases, which is calculated by mass divided volume. And why the iron is in the bottom? This is because the density of the iron is much larger than the water. If we put the ice in the air for half an hour, we can see some of the ice changes into water. By the way, we can see that the temperature of the mixture of water and ice, its temperature is 0 centigrade. Then let's see the changes between liquid water and water vapor. Let's use an oven to heat up the water so the water can absorb the energy. After the water is boiled, we can see some of water changes to vapor clearly. Then we put a cover on the boat. After about 10 seconds, we can see that the water vapor has already become many small water beads on the cover. Last, we want to talk about the changes between ice and vapor. This is one kind of transformation between solid and gaseous. These changes need to absorb or lose a lot of energy in very short time. So it is not easy for us to do this kind of experiment in our kitchen. But we can see this in real life, such as here. It is a form from vapor to ice directly, and it is quite common in the summer afternoon in Italy. Can you find some example of state change in your real life? I hope you learned something in this video, and thank you for your attention.